Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and today we are learning about time. We're going to be thinking about everyday events and activities that we do, and we'll even learn a new word, duration. So let's get learning! Our learning days are so busy and exciting. There is so much that happens in a day, isn't there? Have a think about what happens in your school day. Are there some activities that happen every day? Pause it here and share some ideas about activities that happen in your school day. You might be thinking about activities like reading a book, writing your name, and eating lunch. What other events happen in your learning day? You could make a list. There are lots of events that happen at school, aren't there? Well, how about at home? Have a think about the events and activities that happen at home. Pause it here and share some ideas about activities that happen every day at home. You might be thinking about activities like brushing your teeth, playing a game, and even sleeping. What events happen each day in your home? You could make a list. There are lots of events that happen at home as well, aren't there? Well, you could draw one event that happens at school and one event that happens at home, and then label them. Let me show you some events that I was thinking about. What happens at school? We read a book, we write our name, we might sharpen a pencil, we paint beautiful artworks, and we eat lunch. And here are some activities you might do at home. We brush our teeth, we might play a ball game, eat dinner, watch a movie, give someone we love a cuddle. Well, as I'm thinking about these activities, I'm wondering, how much time does it take to do each activity? Do all these activities take the same amount of time? Would reading a book take the same amount of time as sharpening a pencil? Or what about brushing our teeth? Does that take as much time as watching a movie? Different activities take different amounts of time. Some things take a really long time, like watching a whole movie. That's pretty long. And then other things take a very short time, like giving a friend a high five. When we talk about how much time something takes to do, we call this duration. Can you say duration? Ready? Duration. That is how much time an activity takes to do. Let's have a think about the duration of these activities. How much time do they take? You could pause it here and share your thinking with a friend. Which activities take a short amount of time? Sharpening a pencil, writing our name. These don't take too much time, just a short time. What else can we do in a short time? How about brushing our teeth or giving someone a cuddle? Yes, these are all activities that take a short duration. What are some other activities that you can think of that can be done in a short duration? Now let's look for activities that take a long duration. What can you see that takes a long time to complete? Painting a beautiful artwork takes a long time. Watching a movie, and even playing a ball game. Yes, they all take a long time. What are some other activities that you can think of that take a long duration? Well, now I'd like to talk about an activity that was a bit tricky to know if the duration would be a short time or a long time. Reading a book, for example. Does this take a short time or a long time? What do you think and why? Does reading a book always take the same duration? What do you think? Does every book you read take the same duration? No. And why is that? Well, some books are very short stories, like this one here, and you can see that there are not many words on each page, and there's very few pages. So this might take a short duration. But then other books might be much longer, with lots of pages and lots of words, like this book here. This book would take a much longer duration to read. So, some books might take a short duration, and other books might take a long duration. Well, now we know about duration. Duration is how much time it takes to complete an activity. Now it's your turn to think of the activities that you do. They could be school activities, home activities, or anything else you do in the week. Sort them into two categories: events that take a short time and events that take a long time. Enjoy thinking about duration, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.